Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. Old man down in the corner slowly turns his head. Takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, man, this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. Our black water, devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Came down from Chicago, he gonna set that levee right. Said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner, he said, don't you listen to that boy. Water be down by the morning, and he'll be back to Billy Road.